In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hootsuite streams effectively. If you're managing social media platforms, you already understand the mountain of work that comes with monitoring, posting, and interacting across different channels. Here's where Hootsuite comes into play, offering a streamlined way to manage all your social media tasks from one dashboard. Specifically, we're diving into using Hootsuite streams, a feature that can significantly enhance how you handle your social media operations. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Hootsuite website. It's straightforward. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. Clicking this brings you to the next step, which is crucial for accessing your dashboard, entering your credentials. You'll be prompted to enter your email address first. Please make sure you input the email associated with your Hootsuite account to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, the next box you'll encounter is for your password. Type it in carefully and then hit the sign in button. These two seemingly simple steps are your gateway to the vast functionalities of Hootsuite, so ensuring you've entered the correct information is key. Once you're signed in, you're greeted by the Hootsuite dashboard. This area is the command center for all your social media management tasks. However, today we're focusing on setting up and utilizing streams, so let's direct our attention there. To get started with streams, look for an option titled New Board. Clicking on this will begin the process of creating a board tailored to your needs. Boards are essentially workspaces where you can add various streams. Next, you'll have to select a board type. Hootsuite offers different types to cater to various needs, such as marketing, customer service, or even a custom setup. Choose the one that aligns best with your goals. Once you've selected your board type, you'll need to connect your social networks to this board. This is where the magic happens. Click on Select Social Networks to proceed. By doing so, you're prompted to select from the social media accounts you've linked to Hootsuite. For our purpose, let's say we're adding Twitter and LinkedIn accounts. When you click on Select Twitter Accounts, you'll see a list of the Twitter accounts you have access to through Hootsuite. Select the ones you want to include in this stream. Similarly, click on Select LinkedIn Accounts to add your LinkedIn profiles or pages to the stream. This level of customization allows you to keep a finger on the pulse of multiple platforms without the hassle of logging in and out of each one. Finally, after you've selected the accounts you want to monitor or manage through this board, the last step is to add them to your dashboard. Look for the Add to Dashboard option and click on it. By doing so, you finalize your choices and effectively create a stream or multiple streams on your board, making it ready for use. Streams are incredibly useful for keeping an eye on specific content across different platforms. For instance, you can set up a stream for monitoring mentions of your brand on Twitter, thus allowing you to engage with your audience swiftly. Another stream could be dedicated to tracking posts from a LinkedIn account, giving you insights into engagement and content performance. A few tips to enhance your Hootsuite streams experience: regularly review and adjust your streams to ensure they're still relevant to your current goals. Social media is dynamic, and what worked a few months ago might not be as effective now. Take advantage of Hootsuite's ability to post directly from your streams. This can significantly streamline your content posting process, making your social media management more efficient. Use Hootsuite's analytics to measure the impact of your social media efforts. Data-driven decisions often lead to better outcomes. In summary, Hootsuite streams offer a powerful way to manage your online presence across multiple social media platforms. By following the steps we discussed today, you're well on your way to leveraging this tool to its full potential, making your social media management processes more efficient and effective. Remember, the key to success on social media lies in being responsive and engaging, and Hootsuite streams are designed to help you do just that. Happy streaming!